Toilet paper, also known as toilet tissue or bath tissue, is a product used on a daily basis in homes, offices, hotels, restaurants, and any other venue with an attached bathroom. Popular Western brands like Charmin or Kleenex are either unavailable or too expensive to be cost-effective for India. Instead, brands like Selpak, Origami, Premier, and Renova are readily available, reasonably priced, and boast popular features like scented comfort, extra softness, cushiony thickness, faster disintegration technology, and the number of sheets in a roll. We will now explain, in detail, the points worth taking into consideration when choosing which toilet paper roll is best for you. We will provide recommendations based on price comparisons, use, functionality, special features, and product reviews of popular brands. We hope that our suggestions will help you find the perfect type of toilet paper, whether it be for your home or for your office. The first product on our list is 10. Renova Green Toilet Paper. With 6 double rolls that are 2x the length of standard rolls, Renova's environment-saving sustainable living. Made of 100% recycling materials that have already been used once, this eco-friendly product uses low-quality paper to save trees from destruction. Although bigger rolls require fewer roll replacements, people who do not wish to compromise on comfort are better off buying a different pack. This product is not for frugal shoppers hunting for best value deals either. Due to the high price tag that accompanies this product, this is not a cost-friendly option for everyone. The next product on our list is 9. Beta Tissues Budget Toilet Paper Roll. This is a great value for money offer on a pack of 10 toilet paper rolls with each roll consisting of 400 sheets. It has at least 2x the number of sheets compared to a standard size roll. These 2-ply tissues have flower pattern embossing on each roll, making them really soft and smooth. These rolls can also fit into any standard dispenser, so you do not have to worry about that either. Even though the exterior packaging lacks finesse, this multi-purpose toilet paper pack will not run out quickly and will also be kind to your wallet. If you do not have much storage space though, we recommend looking into one of the other options listed here, as this particular product is quite chunky. The next product in our list is 8. Premier Toilet Tissue Roll. This veteran brand makes FSC certified toilet paper, which includes 330 sheets of 2-ply paper per roll. Each roll in this 4-pack is approximately 1.5x bigger than the standard size and features a higher level of sheet thickness than the industry standard. With this pack, expect to get more thickness, better absorption, extra cleanness, and greater value for a cheaper price. Hygienic and competitively priced, this product is perfect for families and businesses in search of a functional and economical toilet paper option. It is reliable and sturdy, with no fancy embellishments or additional features. People who want more of a wow factor, though, should opt for toilet rolls that are more aesthetically appealing instead. The next product in our list is 7. Bella No. 1 Caro Toilet Paper. This reasonably priced pack of 4 toilet rolls is available in 2 color options, blue and white. The product is remarkably soft and comfortable with a delicate texture, which makes it easy to use. Each of its 2-ply rolls consist of 150 embossed sheets and has good absorbency. Unfortunately, due to the inclusion of chemical agents, it may irritate sensitive skin. With a combination of color, softness, and high-quality cleaning, this pack is suitable for families. Although, Bella No. 1 rolls can also be purchased for business premises as it delivers good cost performance. However, with limited colors, and blue rolls only being available in the 4-pack variety, this is not the best option for bulk commercial usage or for those who want more choice for colors. The next product is 6. Paseo Tissues Toilet Roll. This pack of 4 rolls features thin delicate sheets that are perfect for sensitive and easily irritated skin. Made with plantation fibers, this natural toilet paper is hypoallergenic and shows no trace of chemical additives. As the cheapest option on our list today, we guarantee that the superior softness it offers is unmatched by any other 2-ply embossed variety. With 200 sheets per roll, this option is best for small families or individuals who prioritize the soft and delicate feeling of toilet paper. This pack is not recommended for commercial settings with many visitors since the rolls are known to run out quickly and would require frequent replacements. The next product is 5. Renova Super Compact Toilet Paper. With 6 compact rolls that are 3x longer than normal, this pack is equivalent to 18 standard size 2-ply rolls. That means you won't run out of toilet paper or need to replace rolls as quickly. By purchasing this product, you'll be making a bulk purchase that does not need any extra storage space. This pack is recommended for large families or commercial places which are frequented by many people. However, due to its size, it is not the best choice for those who are looking for travel-friendly options. The next product in our list is 4. SELPAK Perfumed Lavender Dream Scented Bathroom Tissue. This product is known for its premium paper quality and for being gentle on the skin. Featuring a mild scent, these standard-sized rolls come in different colors and give off a fresh and clean aroma. Its 3-ply structure is ultra-thick, absorbent, and promotes long-lasting softness. This luxury product is recommended for use by smaller families or in non-commercial settings. Wrapped in 100% biodegradable packaging, highlighting a chemical-free and environmentally conscious design, this product does not compromise on quality nor functionality. However, since the rolls are scented, you should consider one of the other options on the list if you are in search of a non-fragrant variety. The next product in our list is 3. SOLIMO Bathroom Tissue Toilet Paper Roll. Another product which has received amazing reviews online. Solimo's 3-ply toilet rolls are strong, smooth, silky, and soft for sensitive skin. With no dyes, fragrances, or chemical agents used, it is the best choice for people who are prone to skin irritation or skin allergies. The silky smooth texture is gentle on the skin and works efficiently to soothe away discomforts. We recommend using Solimo in bathrooms most frequented by children and the elderly. This product is suitable for both large families, as well as businesses since it has 300 sheets per roll. With large rolls that will not run out very quickly, these toilet tissues are 100% safe, hygienic, and work well for any age group. The next product in our list is 2. Origami So Soft Toilet Tissue. The second best toilet paper we recommend is this convenient Origami family pack of 12 standard-sized rolls. With 160 sheets in each 3-ply roll, these super soft toilet rolls with high absorbency are well worth the storage space they occupy. Hygienic, safe, durable, and of superior quality, this product from one of Amazon's best-selling brands will bring optimal comfort to your home. Created with Indian plumbing and infrastructure in mind, these toilet rolls are well suited for both commercial and private buildings with narrow pipes and older plumbing systems. Rest assured, this eco-friendly brand will reduce the risk of clogged drains, as their sheets dissolve easily when flushed. The next product is SELPAK Toilet Paper Bathroom Tissue Roll. This Selpak product is Amazon's popular choice for best toilet paper, and it takes the coveted number 1 spot on our list too. This pack of 4 white toilet rolls is not only unscented and chemical-free, but it also has a longer sheet size than other standard rolls. With 150 extra long sheets per roll, its biodegradable packaging and environment-friendly sources are what make this purchase truly worthwhile. It is undoubtedly perfection on a roll. With a thick and absorbent 3-ply structure, this not only feels delicate and soft on sensitive areas but it also effectively cleans the tougher areas. A great way to keep track of your family's hygiene and safety needs, without compromising or worrying about the quality and effectiveness. Whether you live alone or with your family, this product is perfect for people who are in search of excellent functionality, luxurious quality, and a superior feel. Do you think this list makes sense? Leave a comment for us. You can find the product link in the description of the video. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel to keep up with the latest reviews.